Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start now by placing the watch face down on a soft cloth so you avoid scratches. Use a spring bar tool to depress the bar toward the center of the lug. You want steady pressure, not a yank. Once the bar compresses, tilt the strap outward and let it drop free into a small tray. Do the same on the opposite side. Alternating sides prevent stress on the lugs. Make sure to keep the tiny bars together so you don't lose them. With the old strap removed, thread the spring bar into the new belt's end and compress it gently. Bring the strap between the lugs and insert one tip into the lug hole so it catches, then compress the opposite tip and guide it into the hole. Once it clicks, relieve pressure slowly so the bar seats. Rotate the strap back and forth slightly to confirm it's secure. Make sure the stitched or patterned side faces outward and the buckle sits on the correct side. Finish by pulling the strap lightly in different directions to test for movement. You want a solid, unmoving connection. If a spring bar refuses to seat, don't force it. Remove it, clean the lug holes with a toothpick or compressed air, and try again with a new bar. Old bars can bend. If the strap still catches, check for burrs on the lug edges and file gently or visit a watchmaker. Store spare bars and your tool so the next change is faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.